Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Udemy how to add payment method. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to add a payment method on Udemy, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Udemy app. Be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on your account icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is scroll down and then select account security. Then once you're inside your account security, there you'll find an option that says payment methods. Simply select that, and now once you're inside here, what you need to do is just simply tap on add payment method and then enter your card or PayPal information, and lastly tap on save, and that will help you add a payment method on the Udemy app. And that helps you purchase videos that you want or courses that you want online in the Udemy app. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.